Hi, my name is Surbhi. I am an IT engineer and soon I will be pursuing MBA from Symbiosis Institute of Management, Bangalore. I have been a former trainee with Neha, and while I was preparing for my exams and higher studies, that's when I got into touch with Neha again. Challenges in my life in terms of moving ahead and I felt directionless. That's when I felt I needed help and Neha was the best source available. So I got into touch with her and she gave me workshops, online workshops, so that I did not have to move out of my home and it was in my comfort zone. And she worked mainly on my pattern transformation and with unique subconscious techniques. We all know about positive affirmations, but how do we actually use them in our life and how do we actually transform ourselves by using those subconscious techniques? So with all those techniques, I could move ahead in my life and also very unique meditation techniques, and also I was going through anxiety issues and challenges in terms of relationships. So after the sessions with Neha, I got to know myself better and make a plan of my life and then move forward, take my resources into a resourceful state and then move forward. And apart from that, there were sessions like how I train my thoughts and how I can actually and literally stop my thoughts when I'm doing something like studying or preparing for something. So that really helped me. I aspire to be an entrepreneur, and with help of Neha, I could see more opportunities coming towards me and how I could actually get what I wanted always. And I felt more confidence. I could eliminate that fear of moving forward and taking challenges. She works really hard on her clients and she's so dedicated for everyone so that everyone can transform themselves and make their lives better. So for all the youngsters out there who are facing challenges in their lives, who feel directionless at some times and lack that confidence and fear, I would really urge them to contact Neha for this. I think she would be a great mentor for everybody out there, and I feel thankful to her for giving me this opportunity of connecting with her and making myself a better person that I am right now, and I really look forward to my journey ahead. Thanks to Neha and Nehikagrata. Know your self-worth to get out of your comfort zone and get into your courage zone. If any one of you out there can connect with me, please do share this video, as Nehikagrata has a bigger cause and a vision to take forward. I have become one, you can become a visionary too.